35 self-defined is en route to East Dublin for 415. Worker advising as a subject is trying to hit the TO with a stick. No description. Pray in the lead unit. Unit to cover.
One stressing out from you, sir.
TO is willing to CA, advising that it's a male with one leg on crutches. Subject is now heading towards the break room.
3597 East Dublin.
35 right, sir. On the platform with hopeful.
And 35 additionally, we were holding a train on platform 2. That was where the TO was. You been able to meet up with the TO?
35 copy my shooter half, so looking for the CO now.
Okay, Jason for a CA.
It looks like that 148 arrest is from today from the Coliseum Station.
He said that he was contacted by us earlier. Is that released?
35 on our record just showing he was contacted earlier and he was arrested.
ID confirmed via clearance for 1015.
Adam 10, train to Coliseum here. Give you from the second.
All units, code 33. Units to cover Coliseum.
3031, call 3.
Watch commander copies code 3. I'm not sure. Adam 10, do you have someone with you? Copy in. Again, watch commander copies the code 3 response.
Extra 5 star, looking please.
10, can you have a sergeant start for use of force? What?
910, can you 10-9 your 10 left?
You can copy, can you have a sergeant start for use of force?
10-4, I need a zone 1 sergeant to start to Coliseum for use of force.
2. 41 right now.
OPD has 2 units on scene.
10, you can start another precaution. He has wounds from a previous incident.
Prior to 5150, trespassing.
10-4, going to be 10-15 for 11377 148.